federal government of Somalia continues to pursue its key national priorities, including the constitutional review process, the electoral framework, and the fight against Al-Shabaab. Between February and May, Somalia's federal parliament adopted constitutional amendments to the first 4 chapters of the 12 Provisional Constitution, which cover, among other issues, the governance system and electoral framework, reaffirming the government's commitment to a one-person, one-vote electoral model. Parliament is scheduled to consider the important enabling legislation for universal suffrage elections, as well as the next chapters of the Provisional Constitution during its summer session. The next phase of the constitutional review will address complex issues such as power and resource sharing under Somalia's federal model. Continued engagement of all stakeholders in an inclusive process will be critical to ensure broad-based consensus on these important state-building questions. I call on all Somali stakeholders to work together to resolve their differences and seek consensus.